Hey YouTube, it's Chucks here. Just gluing some batteries together. This is going to be for my 4000 GPX4000. I'm going to have them all glued together, and then I'm going to put them all together and put it into my wife's older detector, which she loves and always gets coins with. I don't know why she gets coins. She does get gold with it as well. That's for some reason they like giving coins to her. Anyway, then I'm running out of batteries and I'm charging them, so I decided to charge two at a time. I've got one of these devices from, dare I say it, eBay. I'm not too happy with eBay at the moment. They sent me out a display for my CR10 which is faulty. They knew it was faulty, and eBay wouldn't reimburse the money of $20. They're just, I know it's cheap in some people's language, but $20 is $20, and if you slowly start getting a lot of rubbish from China, then you've got to throw it away. Anyway, that's charging up. I bought two more of these. I've decided to go with AliExpress to buy two of these with, or was it Banggood? One of the two, because I'm really off eBay at the moment. And yeah. Now my final project is, at the moment, these got 4.15 each. This one was dead, so I've got all four hooked up. It's pulling around about a little bit too high at the moment, but I'm trying to, it's not getting warm yet. So I put them on for about 15 minutes, pull them out and put the next one in. And if they can't even get a charge or move my current meter, I'm going to throw them, because they're just rubbish. And yeah, what happens is, what do they call it, the diatrides, or I can't remember how they pronounce it. What happens is it slowly builds up a resistance, and it slowly goes across to the other side and shorts out the battery, which is really good. But on saying that, the person that invented these batteries, what's his name? Allgood? I think his name was Allgood, something like that. And he and a Brazilian lady have invented a new lot of batteries that are coming, and they're made of lithium glass. Yes, glass. I say glass again, because these have got a liquid in them. They've actually worked a way of using glass and lithium, and they can also use glass and sodium batteries. And these batteries will charge within I think it's 15 minutes, don't quote me on it, and then they will last a fair while, and they will be as good as these lithiums. I'm not sure if they're 3 volts instead of 4 volts, but don't quote me on that one yet either, because they've only just started building them, or they're experimenting with them. So they should be around in next 2 or 3 years, hopefully. You can all come back, leave a comment and say you were wrong, Chucks, and I will accept it. But I think that should be enough time now. I'll pull one out and see what happens. Yeah, that battery's now up to about 1 volt. I'll pop in another battery and see what I get, and see if I can charge that one. I'll pull it over to the other side, and my voltmeter's over there. It's fallen to bits. Picked it up at a show. I reminisced about it and collected it. It was a long time ago though. This one, here's your voltage, 0.008. It's not even getting a, well, it's trying. I might try that later. We'll turn this one off and get another one out. That's this one. Let's try this one. Make sure you put them in the right way, or you'll have kerfizzle, because I'm not sure if it's got a diode. That one almost got going, and don't worry about the voltage, it shouldn't be that high anyway. So that should be around about 16 volts. But she's not trying to pull anything, so that one's dead. So there's two that are dead. Not looking good. This one might help. No, that one's dead too. Hold on. Why are you flashing? Nothing. Yeah, that one's dead as well. I'm going to change one more, and if it doesn't work, I'm going to turn this off. No, no more. I'll keep going with them, but that's how I pulled my batteries back, if I can get some out of them. Yeah, and I'll have to check which one of them was any good. Anyway, that's it from me and Chucks. Leave a comment below if you've got any good ideas or ideas you're using with these different pieces of kit, so that I might be able to help others or help myself, more the point. Probably help myself. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. And my workshop looks like a mess at the moment. Really messy.